See there? Out a door me there. On top of the ceiling. But see there? See there? See where I come from back away school there? Go down. So no vehicle at all can pass out here.
Go down closer. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. This is License Road, St. Thomas, close to the beach. The newly made bridge is now disrupted. The newly made bridge is now disrupted. The newly made bridge and disturbed by heavy rainwater with logs coming down, blocking the bridge. No vehicle can go left, right, nor center. And if you notice where you have the water coming off a little grade, like sooner or later the entire bridge will disappear. If we have another 45 minutes of this kind of weather, the bridge will disappear. We are saddened to know that the old bridge, we had never had this kind of situation with it, but it's now dangerous with the new bridge. See some trucks now trying to make their headway through it. I think the contractors need to take a good look at what is happening and to correct this situation after the rain. So maybe this bridge should be lifted, or the other side should have some deep trenches taking the water off it. Something needs to be done, and done speedily.
Beard. When in a sure and good business place, Tommy, I relax with him foot up counting money. Yes, sir. Watch your Claudia play back same way. No, sir. Watch on a sure and counter. People look on water.
Many waters, a river flowing like Elson.
Rubbish bin gone. Biggest Sandy gully, biggest gully in Kingston, though. And watch ya. So come from where cassava piece. Come right, watch ya. Kuwata. Yeah. Sandy gully this.
I flood out and the water we to wash away. Water more than food, see there?
And the government now do nothing about this, you know. Watch out.
Water more than food.
Somebody don't say, yo, Ingas, run to get to the roof.
This is the edge.
Ingas, run to get to the roof.
Hey, the gully how much feet down? The gully how much feet down? It's how much feet go down, you know? Go down, more than that, man. About 20 feet go down this, man. The gully are deep, you know.
Never measurement.
This is Sunday gully. Any man going to this come out, can't come out. But nobody can cross it. On this stone road, black, water. You can't see that even under the bridge. So Spanish Town people are come anywhere, look at black, whole heap of gully, water. Yeah, Jamaica, yeah. What government them a do?
See there, Sister Gabriel, Sister Gabriel, who couldn't do this? Who couldn't do this? Which man couldn't do this? She gotta come there, she gotta come there, Sima come there, she gotta come there, she gotta come there. Who tells Sister Gabriel? Who tells Sister Gabriel?
Combat. Nothing.
Okay. Now what I got on the river then? Yo, what are you for? Is it?
So I'm currently reporting at Crossroads, Runaway Bay. This is Runaway Bay. Okay, guys?
Nobody can cross it. It's only who understand it. Like a fisherman and a fisherwoman who can swim. Okay, if you cannot swim, trust me, you're going to St. Thomas Pond.
Not a joke. This is not a joke. Reporting live from the hilltop. See there? Yeah, the storm, it has reached Jamaica, taking the trees and the breeze. And the rainwater. The storm, it has reached Jamaica.
Somebody talk through flood.
Blood right head out.
This not safe, people.
Back. Oh my, the move I can't put on the front. What's that?
Good man, good. Clothes. Good. Can't believe. Good. Yeah. Good. Eh? Catch ya through the farm brown. In my backyard, the river come down. Everything gone. Planting gone. Banana gone. Jackfruit. Yam, banana, cocoa. Never have seen this before. Everything I wash away. Catch a youth in the backyard. The river this youth can't believe.
Flood in Kingston, Jamaica. Be careful, people.
And then what you do? Them want to butter. Butter there, man. Butter me don't say no. You have been there, man. You definitely. Alright, I'm going to call you right now. Right now. Yo, the whole life front side here.
Check. Look on trees. I check. Look on trees. Buckler. Cope on trees. Cope on trees. Nobody's business. Water like nobody's business. I tell you, all them people stranded, they said they don't know where to go to blood. I tell you, all them people stranded, they said they don't know where to go to blood. I check you out. I shut off now. Buckler, teacher, I see something like this, bro. Look over here, sir. Buckler, teacher, I see something like this, bro. Look over here, sir. Buckler. Yo, just tell them to have gas pedal. The buckler. Yo, just tell them to have gas pedal. Look on the place. Beg you, God. Dark, have pedal. Look on the place.